Hey everyone, today I'm back doing another video. This video is going to be a short, quick, unique video, I would say. This video is just gonna be a quick overview, swatches, everything like that on this palette right here. This is the Spotlight Highlight 6-color palette from BH Cosmetics. And this is just what the outside of this palette looks like. I really wanted to do this video for you guys because I have been loving this highlight palette. Like, I've been loving it so much. I've been feeling very guilty that I'm cheating on Jeffree Star Cosmetics because I love my Jeffree Star Cosmetics highlighters, but this has been my go-to for months now. And I call this a unique video because it's a little different from like an unboxing first impressions review type video. This is basically just an overview showing you guys what this palette looks like, swatches, everything like that. I don't know, I just really wanted to do this video because I was just so excited about this palette that I just wanted to share it with you guys. And a majority of this video is just going to be showing this palette and showing the swatches and everything like that with music over it, but I thought I would do this intro just to kind of give you guys like an idea of what this video is about in case you like saw it without the intro and were like, okay, that's random. So yeah, it's a little bit different style video. If you guys like this kind of video, just these like quick little overview videos, give this video a thumbs up because I don't know, I think they're kind of cool. And sometimes I just like watching like shorter videos to get like straight to the point, show what it looks like, move on sort of thing. So it's not like a 15-minute long video of like reviewing a product. It's just quickly showing you like, this is the palette, this is what it looks like, this is what the swatches look like, and I have been loving this so much. The highlighters in this palette, they're just so pigmented and so gorgeous, and all of the colors are pretty wearable. At least in my opinion, I think they're wearable. And yeah, I just have no complaints about this palette. I just love it so much, so I really just wanted to show it to you guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna say my goodbyes for now so you guys can watch the rest of the video. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you all in my next video, and I hope you enjoy the video on this.